Hey folks, this is Dr. K. This is just a short video to show you how to get the signed APK. So we're having problems during testing because apparently you can't have a test APK and a project APK that are signed differently, and every time you create an APK, it is actually signed by Android Studio. So we need these to be signed the same way, and that's why we created this little walkthrough for signing your APK with this particular key store. All right. So the first thing I did was I downloaded these two files, the CS5254 signing key store and the build Gradle file that tells your project to use this key store. And I put them in this folder here. Okay, build Gradle and signing key store. So I'm going to go to my multi-quiz app, which already runs. In fact, let me just go ahead and run this on a virtual device. Okay, that's from last time I ran it. Okay, and there it is. It is up and running. All right. Okay, so that works. Now let's go ahead and install. Okay, so I'm going to open up a new window here, and I'm going to go to Developer, Android Projects, and CS5254, and there's my multi-quiz. And by the way, the reason I'm doing this on my Windows machine is the same reason you only see one project here. I'm usually working off my Mac, but I want to make sure these two things are on different machines. That's how we got into the problem in the first place. If you're on the same machine, it'll always sign your APK the same way. If you're on a different machine, then you're going to get a different signature. Okay, so right here in CS5254, that's where I'm creating all my projects. So if I were to create a Dreamcatcher project on window part 1, 2, and 3, I would put them here. So I'm going to take my signing key store and put this into this directory. And since I do have Android Studio up here already, since it's already open, instead of moving this file using the file system, I'm going to go ahead and copy this file and then open up the app directory. And in the app directory, well, I'm in Android right now, so let me go ahead and move to project. So here's the app directory, and there is the Gradle file in the app directory I want to replace. Let me just bring that up. Yep, that's the one I want to replace. So I'm going to highlight the app. I'm going to paste that. And it says copy this file into multi-quiz app, and I'm going to say OK, and it's going to ask me if I want to overwrite it. Yes, and there it is. So here is the key thing that we added to the file. So this is the key thing that, well, I take that back. This is a key section we added to the Gradle file, but this is also a key section that we added to the Gradle file. Okay, so now, let's see, did it ask me if I wanted to sync that, or did it just go ahead and sync it? No matter, I'm actually going to go ahead and clean the project. And then I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the project. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and run the application and see what happens. I'm not 100% sure this will work. Yes, I want to run there. Okay, so I'm not totally surprised at this. I've got an application installation failed, and it said it's incompatible. Package EDUVT CS5254 multi-quiz signatures do not match the previously installed version. Ignoring it's possible that the issue is resolved by uninstalling the existing version of the APK and then reinstalling. Uninstalling will remove application data. Do you want to uninstall the existing application? Well, I can always uninstall the existing application from the phone. And in fact, I'm just going to go ahead and do that just to show you how. There's multi-quiz. I'm going to uninstall it. And yes, I want to uninstall that app. And I'm also going to click it here. Okay, and it's giving me an error installing APKs, but that's okay. So I don't have my app on there anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and run this again. And now it seems to be working just fine. Okay, so that's what you have to do to get your new APK, and of course your APK is going to be in the app build outputs APK debug directory, and that's what you want to submit to Canvas once you have that signed version. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.